Hey, I'm going to show you the easiest way to work the teleprompter for HBN. You open up QStart and open up Google and go to the Heritage High School website. From there you go to Student Info to find the daily announcements. Once done with this process, copy and paste all the announcements onto QStart. Highlight all the words and then use Command+ to make the words big enough for your talents to read. Then use Command R to reverse the words. Use spacebar and the command keys to move the announcements for your talents to read. When finished filming HBN, just close out the QStart tab and make sure not to shut down the computer when done.